What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to first start off by saying thank you to everybody who's been following the channel, subscribing, commenting, and liking it. I really appreciate it so much. You guys don't understand. And in this video today, I'm going to be comparing my cold start on my 335i. The first clip is in the show, the Catless Downpipe first. That one, in my opinion, is really quiet for me, which is the reason why I push so much to get Catless. It just wasn't loud enough for me when I was doing like flybys videos. You can even hear it on the video. That's how quiet it was. And I didn't really like that. So I had to change something. So in the second clip, that is with the Catless Downpipe, and that sounds amazing to me, and I think I'm going to keep it at whatever it's at now with the M Performance exhaust and the Catless Downpipe from VRSF. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please let me know in the comments down below what you guys think is your favorite sound.